I'm excited about this. Okay. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita, and if you read the title and you're thinking, is this a video where a girl is just going to vent about something? Yes, and I'm done pretending, so let's just jump right into the video, shall we? First of all, I just want to do a little disclaimer. I'm sick, so that's why my voice sounds a little bit weird, and perhaps why I feel and look tired and so on, because I am tired. It has been a difficult month lately, and that's why I haven't uploaded videos so often or with proper content for you guys, or why I haven't been posting on Instagram, on MS Studio. Second of all, I just want to reintroduce myself for those who don't know me. So hi, I'm Tita. My actual name is Patricia. I'm from Portugal. I'm a 23-year-old creative that lives in Portugal, in Lisbon, which is the capital, and I live with my mom. My parents have been divorced since I was 2. I don't know why that's very important, but I just put it out there. I feel like I haven't actually mentioned that anywhere in this channel, but oh my god. I'm in a very happy, healthy relationship for the past 5 years. More things that I can say. I graduated for my bachelor degree in global design. Now I'm taking design and advertisement as my master degree, and I'm almost finishing it, so I'm very excited about it because I just want to be over with. I do YouTube videos. I do content creation. This is a channel about the life of a content creator, basically, but now let's pivot to the raw life of a content creator. I want this video to be this pivot point where I change my, I'm not gonna say aesthetic, but the whole vibe of the videos. I want my videos to feel more honest, more transparent, more real. And so on this video, I'm just going to go through some topics that I have here written, some issues that I have been having, and I just want to open up about them and have a conversation about these things. If you don't know, I also suffer from severe anxiety, and I want to be more open and real about mental health and about being in my 20s and how to cope with everything. I also have a dog that I use as my anxiety blanket, pillow, best friend, buddy, companion, and his name is Shitu. He has been around this channel a bunch, but yes. And one question that I get a lot is, why do I make videos in English? It was just because when I started 8 years ago, I really didn't know how to properly speak in English, or I didn't have the confidence. I wasn't very comfortable with it, and so I decided to make YouTube videos because that would help me somehow, and honestly, it did. So I highly recommend, if you want to start speaking more fluently in English, which is ironic what I just did, start just a YouTube channel. Pick up a camera, talk to a camera, see how you are just going to evolve. I've been making videos on YouTube for the past 8 years, but more constantly over the past 4. Welcome to my journey. So this is going to be like the whole motto of this channel, the raw life of a content creator in her 20s, because I just want to be more real with you guys. I feel like you guys deserve it. You've been here for a while, and it's crazy to think that we were 0 subscribers, 0 people were watching me, and now we are 12,553 subscribers, which is crazy. I'm just so grateful. Welcome to my life in my 20s as a content creator. I'm just going to tell you what's really inside my mind. I also want to just open up about failures, and that it's okay to fail, that it is okay not to have a perfect life, because no one has a perfect life. I want to be that positive impact on your life that just shows you that life is not perfect, but it's okay, we can get through it. Life is messy. My head is like probably this video is going to have that same feeling. Probably someone will relate to them and not feel alone. The first topic, as I previously mentioned, I'm done pretending. The fake it till you make it culture, the thing that, you know, that's a great thing to start off. Like, you know, fake it till you make it. It's great to start off a new habit, a new lifestyle that you want, but then it just gets very anxious and chaotic because it's not you, and it's not truth to you. It's not truth to your personality, and it just gets very conflictive. I'm done with the perfect morning routine videos. I'm done with the perfect productivity tools. They're just tools that work for me, and personally there are days that work and other days that don't work. So I just don't want to make you feel like everything is perfect when it's not, and I want to be more honest and open about it. For me, everything that I've shared in this channel is honest, it's truth, and it's what it was truth for me in that moment, in that period of time. But sometimes I just get very anxious, and one of the things that I felt was that I was lacking inspiration for future videos because I wanted to make something that was not me, in the sense that I wanted to have this perfect aesthetic lifestyle like Pinterest vibes aesthetic, that I wasn't actually living it because I was just a very anxious person in my bedroom doing things and trying to work and trying to figure out things, and then I was trying to portray something that had their shit together, which is not something that I do. So I found it very hard to match. Just decided to make this video to tell you that it's okay to not have everything figured out, because honestly, who does? I'm an overachiever. My boyfriend gave me that title, the title that I don't want to have. Being an overachiever is bad, and I feel like that's one flaw of mine, is that I get so anxious upon the things that I want to achieve that sometimes I just don't do anything because of the anxiety. I just stay there like this. And so being an overachiever is not okay. I want to change that. I want to be more realistic. I want to allow my body to rest. I want to allow my mind to rest. I want to rest. I want to be alone. I want to be with friends. I want to be with family. I want a bunch of stuff, but because I'm an overachiever, I was constantly thinking like, oh, I can't be doing that because I need to be doing the other stuff. I'm all about prioritizing things in your life, and right now I feel like prioritizing my work era, just because it is tough, you know, you're finishing your master degree and you want to start working and so on and so forth. I know that, and I know I'm living that era right now. I just want to say that it's okay to feel messy. It's okay, like that's normal, that's life in our 20s. It's supposed to be messy, it's supposed to feel like we are lost, and then we find ourselves in those little moments and in those little conquests, and that's okay. I just don't want anyone to feel like you are not supposed to feel that way. It's okay, it's normal, you'll feel it, it's okay. Me wanting everything at the same time right away, it's not something that I'm proud of, and it's something that I want to change, and I want to change with you guys. So I want to bring you guys along the journey. I want to set more realistic goals, and I want to actually work for them and not just putting out there in the universe and trying to, you know, waiting for them to come to me. I'm a go-getter, you know, already, but I feel like because I set unrealistic goals, I always feel sad and like a failure. It's okay to fail, you know, but sometimes I just feel like a huge failure. I just want to tell you that it's okay to fail. Without failing, you'll never get, because you never know what it's like to fail, and you never, I'm not saying that you have to fail in order to get the stuff that you want, but whenever you know the failures, you just step up a little bit because you have already overcome those obstacles. That makes any sense. So I'm not afraid of failure. I just sometimes I go into a project or into a mindset that I always think I'm going to fail. And that's where the problem hits, you know. I want to be better, and I want to know that failure is okay. It's okay to fail, but that doesn't mean you are a failure, you know? Everyone fails in life. That's okay. I'm also going to use this video as just a pep talk for myself, honestly. My boyfriend arrived and my video is not finished. Just let me open the door. I'll be right back. I don't know where I left this, but yes, I'm an overachiever and I want to change that. I want to be more realistic on the things that I want to accomplish, and I want to be real with you guys. Like, one thing that is the big next step is finding a job, and sometimes that takes days, weeks, months, who knows, and I want to be open about it. I just, you know, want to documenting everything so you'll know my truth, and if things are going great, I'm going to show them, but if things are going crappy, I'm also going to be open about it, and I'm going to show you the ups and downs of my life from now on. I want to inspire people to pursue their dreams, their careers, their lifestyles, their whatever, knowing that failing is okay, knowing that feeling lonely it's okay sometimes, and that you can be an overachiever, that's okay, you can have anxiety and that's okay, but you can still also do a bunch of more stuff and being successful at it, and having the anxiety but still, you know, achieving the things you want, still having the life that you want. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I don't know if the point is getting across or not. I love you guys and I want to, you know, inspire you in any way. And other thing that's honestly bothering me, it's having constant doubts on myself, having the imposter syndrome is so crappy sometimes, especially because I'm in a creative field and you just feel like other people are more creative than you are and you are just comparing yourself to other professionals. And my boyfriend told me one thing actually, that was the more you know about something, the more imposter syndrome you'll feel just because you understand the depth about the topic. And that's so true. Like, I sometimes compare myself to other professionals just because I know how deep of a topic that is. But I also have to believe in myself, believe in my skills. I've been to school, I've been to university, I've graduated from my bachelor degree in global design. I'm almost graduating for my master degree in design and advertisement. So I know my things, I know my way around, and I just have to believe in myself. Everyone started from the bottom, everyone started from knowing anything, and sometimes I have so self-confidence, I'm there, self-esteem is on peak, but sometimes I just have constant doubts and I'm not good enough, that I'm not worth it. It is okay to feel like this, but you always have to try to shift the mindset to a positive one. Great things came from other failures, for instance. Many celebrities, many business people, they had other business, other things that they focused on before getting to that point and succeed. Try to think about it that way, like you're not failing, you're just, you know, gathering life experiences. Another topic that is honestly on my mind 24/7, it's because I really want to move out. I live with my mom and that's great, don't get me wrong. I'm so blessed and fortunate to be having the lifestyle that I'm having, to live the way that I live, to live with my mom. But I want to move out with my boyfriend. We want to have our little corner. We want to start our little journey as a couple in our home. We are just so ready for it. That's something that I really want, and I know that's something that is going to be like a long-term goal because it takes time, it takes a lot of money, and first I need to find a stable job. Yeah, those are just things that are going on in my mind. And being a content creator, also another thing that's going on in my life is honestly doing these for a while and sometimes not getting anything out of it. Like, I love doing YouTube. You could not take YouTube away from me. I feel like I belong here. I feel like I feel like home, you know? And so, yeah, I feel at peace on YouTube. And sometimes it's just not motivated at all being and doing YouTube for so long and not having like grown as much as I thought I would, or as much as other creators grow. And once again, you cannot compare yourself to others. And one thing that I actually saw that really motivated me and that really put me on the mindset that it's okay to take a little while to get into your goal is that whenever, for instance, now on YouTube, I wish I had more subscribers, more views, because I've been doing these for so long. But the thing is, the more time I take until I achieve something, you know, greater and bigger, I just have this time to perfect my art, you know. I have time to fail, I have time to experiment, I have time to try the trial and error thing, you know, and I have time to perfect my techniques, my editing skills. I have time to just grow as a person, to grow as a professional, and I just have time. I'm happy about it as well because I can grow, and I can grow slow and steady. I'm just tired of like people trying to portray a perfect lifestyle on YouTube, on Instagram. Life is not perfect. Nobody's perfect. We live and we learn it. And wise words, honestly. That song, I've just been feeling sick for the past month actually, and I'm excited for this new journey in my 20s, the life of a content creator, the raw life of a content creator in her 20s. I love that catchphrase. But I feel like that's all, honestly. Now I really want to eat something that my boyfriend got me, and so I'll go there. Main topic of this video: it's okay to fail. Great things do take their time. It's okay, life is messy, you know. I love you. I really do. And I'm so blessed having you in my life. We've grown so much, and I feel like I've also grown so much with you guys. So thank you for sticking by, and I hope we can just grow together. Comment down below some more video ideas for future videos. I'm very excited for what the future holds, and I hope you guys are as well. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this new series of the channel, Life in the 20s, and I just can't wait to spend it with you, honestly. We are moving. We are like finding a job. That's very important. We are delivering the thesis. We're doing everything. We've been through so many things, and I'm so excited to be going through a lot more with you guys. So stick around. Welcome to the family. I love you all so much, and I shall see you next week. Stay creative and stay happy.